teachers with professional experience from different countries, we cross-path through various ERASMUS exchanges and in doing so, stimulated discourse into methods of enhancing graduate learning towards today's design employment needs.
So nowadays, designers are constantly faced with increasingly complex challenges, and schools and universities don't quite prepare the students for those challenges.
We are aware that this is us, teachers, artists and designers, who best perceive the changes taking place in the environment of art and design. That's why we have to influence changes in education. It is the teacher's responsibility to evaluate working methods and propose changes.
For a couple of years, we have been in line with the most recent studies and researchers that want to improve educational design systems. So what the main PiCoDe method is about is actually to bridge the gap between education, industry and global awareness by trying to introduce a new educational model that prepares the students for their future realities.
It's not our intention to redesign the design process, it's to study the methods within the process. These workshops are made for us to actually implement these methods, test them, and streamline these methods to the project itself.
We can talk about PiCoDe method as a form of active learning and also interactive teaching methods.
Through this experience, we intend to improve the students' entrepreneurialism to use their design knowledge and develop the soft skills necessary to cope with the demands of today's design practice.
So the method will be based in some principles like applied design methodology, teamwork in interdisciplinary and intercultural cooperation, foster active learning, encourage thinking by sketching, doing and presenting, develop entrepreneurship, deal with rhythm and workflow, and also ethical awareness.
For this project, we thought that small groups were the best, and this is because they can have a greater impact. The students are more flexible, the communication is more free, they feel more invested in their concepts, they feel more comfortable in sharing their ideas and questioning ideas. And this leads to the greater investment and innovation. And so for this, we thought it was the best for our method.
So when they work all together, they will be interacting with each other. So that's the best part. They will learn from each other. They will understand what the product needs. So for example, the typography can change according to the needs of the products.
This diffusion of experiences gives a very different flavor to the teaching. It adds different experiences, interdisciplinary experiences from art and design, multimedia, product, graphics, etc. And the students have to work together, which is quite an unusual thing to do in a university. Often courses are quite separate. In this case, we're actually putting them together. So that is the main difference, really, collaboration.
The idea of putting together different design disciplines on a common project incentive, create a studio environment and productive reality for designers through collaboration, building trust, courage, making strong first impression, building relationship, social responsibilities, and even executing campaigns, helps businesses become more successful.
New products come onto the market for various reasons. They can come from the designer, or shall I say the company where the designer works, in terms of research, and they can identify a problem and propose a product to the market. The other way would be from the consumer's point of view, i.e. they would demand a certain product to solve a certain problem. So there are many ways that actually you can initiate a product to the market.
We are living in a big competitive world, and when a product comes out, it needs to have a product strategy and product marketing plan. So first of all, we need to understand the goals of the company, and also we need to identify the target audience. So after knowing all these, we put the marketing plan and sales plan together, and there we will start the branding.
The role of multimedia as an art and design discipline is an important component within this collaborative workshop, not only to enhance the product's existence through visual and audio forms, but also to assist other design disciplines within the theme about possibilities of social media.
Materials impact the experience of a product. So with this, using local materials, it means that you can create a story that speaks to sustainability, local provenance, and also the legacy of the industry, the local industry. When working with local materials, the consumer is asking for, or even demanding, this ideas of transparency, of sustainability, of hyperlocalism. And when you produce a product in this way, then you are able to not only add value to the product, but it also has an emotional attachment.